Hello everyone, welcome to my English learning channel. Today, we are going to learn 3 very important English words, un, on, and at. These words are called prepositions. Many English learners feel confused when using them, but don't worry. In this lesson, I will explain them in a very easy way. By the end of this video, you will understand when to use un, on, and at in daily English. So let's start. First, how to use IN. We use IN for big places, months, years, and longer periods of time. For example, I live in Pakistan. She lives in London. They are in the classroom. We use IN when something is inside a place. For example, the book is in the bag. My phone is in my pocket. There is some water in the glass. Now let's talk about time. We use IN with months. My birthday is in February. We have a holiday in August. We also use IN with years. I was born in 2008. We use IN with parts of the day. I study in the morning. I work in the afternoon. I watch TV in the evening. So remember, IN equals sign inside, months, years, and longer periods of time. Now, how to use ON. We use ON for days, dates, and surfaces. For example, I will see you on Monday. She goes to school on Friday. The meeting is on Tuesday. We also use ON with dates. My birthday is on May 10th. The exam is on August 25th. Now let's talk about surfaces. The book is on the table. The picture is on the wall. Your phone is on the bed. We can also say, I am on the bus. She is on the train. They are on the plane. So remember, ON equals sign, days, dates, and surfaces. Finally, how to use AT. We use AT for a specific place or a specific time. For example, I am at home. She is at school. He is at work. We use AT with exact times. The class starts at 8 o'clock. I wake up at 6 a.m. The movie starts at 7:30 p.m. We can also say, meet me at the door. Wait for me at the bus stop. I will see you at the airport. So remember, AT equals sign a specific place or an exact time. Let's compare them. Listen carefully. I was born in 2008. My birthday is on February 18th. The party starts at 7 o'clock. Can you see the difference? N, 2008. ON, February 18th. AT, 7 o'clock. Here's another example. I study in the morning. I have an English class on Monday. The class starts at 9 o'clock. Very easy, right? Now let's practice. Choose the correct word, un, on, or at. I live ____ London. The correct answer is ein. I have a meeting ____ Monday. The correct answer is un. The meeting starts ____ 10 o'clock. The correct answer is AT. My phone is ____ my bag. The answer is ein. Great job. Now, let's say them together. Ein, inside, months, years, morning, afternoon, and evening. ON, days, dates, and surfaces. AT, exact times and specific places. Remember these simple rules. Un equals sign, big or long. ON equals sign, days and surfaces. AT equals sign, exact time and specific place. Thank you for watching this English lesson. Practice these words every day. Try to make your own sentences using un, on, and at. The more you practice, the better your English will become. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep speaking, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.